Idi Amin! He's not gay like you!
How many GCSEs have you got?
Mugabe, Idi Amin! He's not gay like you!
No, he's young, man, yo. Leave him alone, bro.
Leave him alone.
Leave him alone because he's young or what?
Mugabe looking for you.
Yeah, he's with us, yeah, bro. Don't touch him, yeah.
Yes, you should have gone.
Yeah.
She don't want to marry me.
She's scared.
Oh, she don't want to marry me. Okay. He wants to marry me. You want to marry him. She wants to marry you. She don't want to marry me. She's single. How? Okay, how? Okay. How? Okay, I tell her. I take
Hey, don't get excited.
No, I swear.
Control your testosterone, please.
You don't know Asian man. Okay, how? I tell her. Keep me going for 4 days.
You said to me over
That's
there.
fornication.
You said to me over there.
Ricky, that's what?
Is that Islam? That allows you to have women? How many of those women are your cousins? How many of those women are your cousins?
It doesn't matter. You doesn't matter. We like sex. Okay, shut up. Hold on.
How many of those women are your cousins?
Please handle one.
Your husband is hot dog.
Give it as Islamic as possible.
No. We have been. I am free. I've been second time.
He's a
I can make love.
No, he's 14. He's 1-4.
I have
He's
2
9.
wives.
He's 1-4.
What's wrong? I had 4. 2 wives. I had 4. I have 3 left. Yes, I do.
How?
Claiming benefits.
Fuck off then.
I don't drink, I don't smoke, so he said I eat halal food, and I can make love. Yes. Yes.
That's all.
And to satisfy them, I must not eject myself. What are you talking about? Where is your husband? She has no husband. Her husband ran away with a boyfriend. We have 4 wives. Her husband has 4 men.
How many of those wives are your cousins?
How can you afford?
In the bedroom, yes, we can. Yes, we've been second. I swear we can. Women created for sex. Yes. Yeah.
No.
Yes. Women created for sex. Yes.
No, man.
Women, no.
Hey, what happened, bro?
Yeah. Women created for sex. Yes. Okay. Hey, go to the telephone box.
He's a liar.
Okay. Not Viagra.
He's a liar.
Men in Asian countries still have babies at 90.
Which Asian country have you ever lived in?
Pakistan, Arab countries.
That's because you want to pay for it.
No. I don't pay. I have 2 wives. I don't pay. I have 2
Why are you going to telephone box if you have 2 wives?
You've just said go to telephone box.
Try and get the 3rd wife.
So you must have been in
No. I working with BT.